Welcome to another quick review from Ultimate DIY, and today we are going to take a look at a keto-friendly electrolyte supplement. This supplement is made by a company called Keppi. And what makes this electrolyte a little different than some of the others out there is this is keto friendly. They did not add table sugar to it, which is a really nice thing if you're on a keto type diet. You don't want to take an electrolyte that's going to throw you out of ketosis. I like the container on this. It's all plastic, but it has a lid that tightens down real tight, so you're going to lock freshness in. Now, when you open this up, you're going to set the lid to the side, and you're going to have a little cover over the top. Now, that cover tells you that it was sealed, and that not only does it lock in freshness, but nobody's been in here tampering. I like to see a product that has a sealed lid underneath the main lid. So that is a big thing that I actually like. Now, another thing I like, I noticed that they put the actual packet in it to help keep any moisture out of this. So the powder is extremely dry and fresh when you get it. Just make sure that you throw this thing in the trash and get rid of it. You're not going to need it any longer. They also give you a really nice little measuring spoon here, which is already preset for the amount of electrolyte that you need to get out of here and mix with 16 ounces of water. That makes it extremely quick. So overall, it seems to be a great product. I will tell you also the texture of the powder is extremely fine, which tells me that they mixed it very well when they packaged this and put it inside of the container. So now what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and mix up a little bit of the powder and see how it actually tastes. Now we're going to see how well this actually mixes. It looks like it's a very fine powder, so they did a really good job of getting it ready. Let's see how it works. All right, and I'm going to look on the bottom. It looks like it mixes very well. You can generally tell if you've got a problem if you've got a lot of powder at the bottom. It means that it's not really ground up very well. So this one is, very nice the way they did it. You're not going to have that problem. Let's taste it now and see what it tastes like. Now, by the way, if I didn't mention, this is the mango. They do have other flavors as well. Wow, it's actually really good. It's not overly sweet. Even though I put probably a little bit more for this amount of water, it's still not overly sweet at all. I don't particularly like drink mixes that are very sweet. I like them to be a little on the light side, which is exactly what this is. So if I was going to rate this on a scale of 1 to 5, I'd have to give it 5 stars because of the packaging, because the powder itself was very dry and very well mixed, and because it tastes great. It also is not going to throw me out of ketosis, which I really appreciate. Overall, great product. So if you need to get yourself a really good keto-friendly electrolyte, I don't think you're going to go wrong with this one. Do yourself a favor, pick yourself up a can today, and we will see you guys on the next review.